I ended up buying 3 different paints. I got blue, purple, and violet, which I'll show you guys in a second. They came relatively fast. I want to say I ordered it on like a Monday night and I got it on Saturday, so it's just pretty quick for them to ship it and get it to me, and it came from California, so that's pretty good. So I've seen some different videos on this product, so it was interesting to try it, especially since I've, you know, really enjoyed having different colored wigs, so like why not color my own hair temporarily. So I wanted to lighten up the colors and see what those would look like, and maybe do like an ombre, but I'm not quite sure if I will even mix the blue and the purple. I'll probably just give like a blue purple kind of color. But so all of them come in this little box here, and they give you a different colored sticky so you know what color it is. This is what it looks like. And it just comes in this little jar, just like this. And it just says Mofajang, I guess is how you say it. And it says hair coloring material, so not even like hair dye coloring material. This is the blue. And then I also got white to maybe lighten up the colors, but maybe I would do like white tips too. The white is interesting because it almost looks silver, so it might be silvery white. That I don't know. But these are the 3 paints that I got. so I have finished applying it to my hair. I let it air dry for several hours. I still get a teensy weensy bit of transfer when I touch my hair, but I just won't be touching my hair because I don't know how long it takes exactly to dry. I probably finished applying it at 6:30 and it's 11:45 now, but in my defense, I also had other products in my hair. So let me very quickly tell you guys what I prepped my hair with first, just because I didn't know if the paint was gonna feel drying or anything like that, and I just wanted my hair to be moisturized while I had my hair basically out with this product. So let me tell you guys what I used, and then I'll get into the deets on the paint. So the first thing I did was I spritzed my hair with my fenugreek spritz. Wow. I spritzed my hair with my fenugreek spritz, and then I applied the Camille Rose Naturals Moisture Milk. Then I detangled my hair with my Tangle Teaser. I put in some safflower seed oil, which I didn't show you guys just in those clips, but that's what I used to put oil in my hair. I don't know what I'm trying to say. That's the oil I used. Then I used the Diva Curl Super Cream. This is my first time using this product. It's amazing. And then I followed up with my Eden Body Works Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. I love this. I have like none left and I need more. It really like makes your hair like, I don't know, it just makes your hair feel like all the moisture is sealed in. It also like defines it and it just feels really, really moisturized and nice. So those are the products I used before I applied this paint to my hair. So now we're going to talk about the paints so you guys can see if you want to try this for yourself. So like I showed you guys earlier, I have 3 different paints here. Blue, purple, and white. I mixed the white with both the blue and the purple to get it to be a little bit of a lighter shade. So after all that I used, I mainly used blue. This is how much I have left, which is pretty good considering how much you get, but actually a little of it goes a long way. My bangs are like, can't see. It definitely really defines your curls while you're using it because I'm saying a lot. I mean, my hair is dried, so of course I'm embracing the frizz at this point, but I really didn't have a lot of frizz when I was applying it. It really clumps the curls beautifully. It does feel, I guess now that I have it all in my hair, it feels a little crunchy, but it's still pretty soft. I mean, I still have parts where I can feel that they're still wet. So it could also be that it's still drying. So with that little bit that I just touched, I don't really have too much transfer from the colors, just a little bit. I would definitely recommend using an old t-shirt because I knew there would be color transfer, but it really does wash right off your hands. I got it on my acrylic nail, came right off. Got it on my hands, washed right off, got it on my forehead and stuff. It washes right off, so I have no worries about how this will wash out from your hair because it comes out like seamlessly. Like I didn't even have to use soap, it just came right off when I washed it. I still have a ton of purple left, but this is all the white that I have left. So with these products, they do come in a ton of other colors. I know there's gold, there's green, there's red, maybe there's orange, I really don't know. But these are the 3 that I have. I think I'd be interested in trying red to make it pink. And if there's orange, I would definitely try orange. And then of course I would definitely want to try green. Green would probably be very, very cool. What was the other color I said? Red, green, orange if there's orange, and gold. I would try gold too because gold comes out just like a blonde kind of color. So basically with this, you can see it's still kind of on my head. So what I did was I did blue, and I think I need to go over my bangs again because you see how this part is like really defined, but this is not. And like it's defined everywhere else, so I might need to do that part again. But what I did was I did the blue all over like you guys saw, and then I just went through with the purple that I mixed with the white for the tips. So you kind of get this like, I don't know, it's a blue and then there's like a lighter blue. But I really like it. I wanted to mix it, but I definitely would try each of these on their own. I would say you could probably get 2.5 uses out of a jar. I definitely like this, especially how seamless it is to apply it. Now, I'm not sure if you can apply this on dry hair or if it's best to do it on damp, but I would say if you do it on damp hair, just make sure your hair is detangled so you're able to get every single part of your hair that you want to color colored. And then also just make sure you do it in small sections if you want to do all of your head, because that way you're portion controlling it, so you're making sure you're not using too much product, but you're also making sure you're getting every single strand so you don't have all those weird gaps in it. Overall, I actually really like this color. Or these two colors that I mixed together. I like this paint wax a lot. I can't believe I've never like heard of it, because I would have been coloring my hair all along. Like, you could switch your hair color up every single day if you wanted to. I mean, you'd have to rinse it out, wash it out every single time, but like as much as you want. So I'm probably just going to touch it up tomorrow. We'll see. I'm planning on putting this into like up in my puffs, so I hope they'll look cool because I have to take some fun pictures. So I hope they'll look nice. But yeah, I really like this stuff. It smells interesting. Like, it smells pleasant. I wouldn't say it smells good because I think this scent could get annoying, but it definitely smells pleasant, I would say. This is really it. I'll probably do some more videos for you guys with some more colors, because I know I'm just gonna end up buying all the colors and I'm gonna have every color all over my head, and I'm gonna be mixing up colors and looking crazy. But I like colors, so it's fine with me. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!